Welcome to the Norwalk Easter Public Library webpage. This tutorial will help guide you through how to access some of our key resources during our time of closure. For access to our ebooks and e-audiobooks with bridges, you can find the direct link on the right-hand side of our screen under the Quick Links tab. This link will give you a direct access to our Bridges Digital Library. You can access that with your Norwalk Easter Public Library card. For access to our other digital databases and resources, on the left-hand side of the screen under Digital Databases, you'll be taken to a new page that shows all of our information and resources available. It will include important links such as Chilton Auto Repair, as well as BrainFuse, JobNow, and VetNow assistance, plus all of our genealogy resources and transparent language, to name a few. For access to our newly added resources, on the library's main page, on the left-hand side of the screen, under the Free Digital Resources tab. This will include new items being added that are on a temporary or as-needed basis. This will include links to other free ebooks or free audiobooks. They will also include links to other databases that will assist in additional online learning for any students at home. Plus, it will also include other wonderful free virtual assistants, such as Beachbody Kids workouts, virtual concerts. While the library building may be closed during this time, you can still receive information and assistance from our wonderful library staff. During our regular library operating hours, staff can still be reached by our email and our phone and pressing 1. Call our library number at 515-981-0217 and press 1 to leave a message. Or you can email us at library@norwalk.iowa.gov. Are you one of those few who didn't get a library card before we closed? Not a worry. You can now email the staff to receive a temporary digital library card that will be available during the time period to be used with the free ebook and digital audiobooks online. Just simply email our staff at library@norwalk.iowa.gov and we will assign a digital library card to you. Stay tuned to the library's website and our Facebook page, as well as our YouTube page, for information about library updates, as well as online virtual programming and assistance.